Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube library option is not showing up. So first of all, just open up the YouTube application, and as you can see at the bottom part of our screen, all of the sections, and you should see a library here, but in the recent update the library section or option right here is replaced by this U section. So this should be the library section, but it's now the U section. But if you still want to see that library option right there on your YouTube, what you can do is close the app and go to our phone settings, and then scroll down, tap on this apps, go for this manage apps, and you just have to simply search for YouTube. Tap on it. Now you can see these options in the bottom. You can see this uninstall updates. Just tap on this uninstall update. So this will revert our YouTube app to the past version, and you will get your library option again. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.